Hello everyone. Bengaluru FC will host Northeast United FC at the Sri Kantirava Stadium in Bengaluru at 1700 IST. Meanwhile, Kerala Blasters FC will welcome Mumbai City FC at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Kochi at 19:30 IST on Sunday, February 22nd, as part of the Indian Super League 2025-26. Both matches will be available for live streaming on FanCode and will be telecast on Sony Sports. 10-2. In the first match, Bengaluru FC comes into the game following a confident 2-0 victory over Sporting Club Delhi in their season opener. Goals from Sunil Chhetri and N. Sivashakti marked a strong start for the Blues, who are now looking to build momentum at home and improve their standing in the league. Bengaluru FC's head coach, Reenadi Singh, highlighted the importance of maintaining their winning form and the expectations of playing at home. He noted that while every team desires possession, the key lies in how they attack and defend collectively. He emphasized the need for a compact structure in both attack and defense, stating that maintaining this approach will lead to positive results. On the other hand, Northeast United FC suffered a 0-3 defeat against East Bengal FC in their opening match. The Highlanders are eager to bounce back with better defensive organisation and sharper execution in attack as they seek their first points of the season. Head coach Juan Pedro Binali acknowledged the challenging environment of the Kantirava Stadium and the importance of transforming defensive resilience into points. He remarked on Bengaluru's different style of play compared to East Bengal and expressed hope that his team is prepared for the challenge after 2 days of training. In the second match, Kerala Blasters FC returned to Kochi after losing their opening match to Mohan Bagan SG. They are keen to secure their first points of the season in front of their home fans. The team aims to demonstrate improved control and defensive cohesion as they work to find their rhythm in attack. David Catala, head coach of Kerala Blasters FC, reflected on the need for tactical adjustments following their initial defeat. He stressed the importance of structural discipline, indicating that the team must show a better performance than in their first game. He emphasized the necessity of maintaining compactness and consistency in defense to enhance their chances of winning. Mumbai City FC arrives in Kochi looking to gain early season momentum under coach Petr Kratky, known for their organized structure and effective possession management. Mumbai aims to assert themselves and achieve a positive result away from home. Kratky acknowledged the challenge posed by Kerala, noting that they had more preparation time and emphasized the need for his team to be mentally and physically ready for the match. Both Kerala Blasters FC and Mumbai City FC are determined to establish early momentum in the league, setting the stage for a competitive evening clash in Kochi. Thanks for watching JMBDD News.